The shortcuts in Excel can greatly enhance our working, like inserting a row or column, or easy navigation. So when we have a huge amount of data we are working on, then at times we are required to insert an additional row or an additional column. The addition of this additional row or column can be done manually, that is by clicking right and then selecting the insert, but this requires a multiple steps and can consume our time. We can do it in the fraction of second by using the shortcut, that is pressing the Control, Shift and plus together results into the addition of a new column. And similarly, if we want to add a row, then just go to the row, and instead of manually selecting insert and then inserting a row, you can directly click on the row number and then just press Ctrl plus Shift plus sign. And within a fraction of second, the new column or the new row is added. Now let's move to the second shortcut. While using the Excel, every time we are required to navigate through the data. To navigate, we use either the arrow button or we use the mouse, but both are very time taking. But navigating in Excel can be within a fraction of second. We do navigate to select the data, to copy the data, to cut the data, but how to do it smartly? By using the shortcut, which is if you use Shift plus arrow key, then the Excel will start selecting the data in the direction of the arrow. Here on screen, we first activated one cell, then use the arrow command along with the Shift button to keep on selecting the data in a particular row. And when we move the arrow button in the downward direction, we are selecting the data. And this can be used for various purposes, whether to copy, formatting, or maybe some other use. So every time when we are required to copy the data, we can use the Shift and arrow button. But suppose if we want to copy the entire data till the last row, then what can we do? Should we use the Shift command multiple times till we reach the last row? It doesn't make a sense. For that, the Excel has provided another shortcut, that is Control plus arrow key. So when we press Control plus arrow key, let's see what happens. We suddenly move to the last data of that row or that column in the direction of arrow key pressed. So using both of this shortcut together, that is using the Control and the Shift button together along with the arrow key, will allow you to select the entire data within the fraction of second. So we first selected the row, and then using the Control button, we also selected the entire column. So suppose we want to copy this data. So all I have to do is to use the Shift arrow button to select the row and then Control downward key to select the entire cell. You must try and master the Shift arrow, Control arrow and the combination of both to increase the speed of your working in Excel.